Assalamualaikum, welcome to INS Creation Limited. Today I am going to design a real estate agency logo by using Canva. Let's get started. After opening a page, go to the element panel, search for a real estate logo and find a proper home or building for your design. Let's find it. Let's find a proper home logo or building logo. Let's take these and find another one like this. Let's take this and adjust on the center of the page. Then go to the element again and search for a half circle logo or half circle shape. Let's find in half moon shape. Let's go for a half moon curve shape. Let's take this shape and adjust on the home logo. Adjust it over the home. Change the color as home. Then make it a center. Then go to the element, search for a flying bird. Take this small bird and adjust it on the house. Make it little bit smaller. Then again go to the element panel and search for a golden box. We need this type of box. Let's find another one from the more option. Take this box and delete the previous one. Adjust it and make it center of the home and the circle. Make it center with the home and the circle. Make all in the center. Then adjust the box little bit. Make it center. Then take a text box and type Delgo Estate. Place it inside the box and make the font size bigger. Make all uppercase and let's change the font. Okay, take this font and adjust it in the center of the box. Change the font color. Almost done. Make some adjustment properly. So here it is, our real estate logo. If you need any kind of logo, please contact with us. Our contact details will be attached with the description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.